Now for the results that many of you have been waiting for, the winner of our National Wetlands Live video contest. This contest was open to any school participating in Wetlands Live and getting out into the wetlands. The winning class will receive $1,000 to use toward field trip supplies and other related activities. Our winning video first made it through a panel of wetlands experts who selected the top 3 videos and then was voted on by the Wetlands Live community on our Facebook page back in April. Our national video contest winner is Ms. Jennifer Cheng's class from San Pedro, California. Let's take a look at their video and see what they've been doing in wetlands.
At the intersection of 22nd Street and Crescent Avenue in San Pedro, California, lies the sprawling 22nd Street Park, 18 acres of grass and trees laced with biking and walking trails and boasting great vistas of the ports of Los Angeles and Long Beach. Tucked into a corner of this park is a tiny freshwater wetland first discovered in 2002 by community activist Kathy Beauregard, who currently serves as an officer in the Adopt a Storm Drain Foundation. Today, the 9th grade honors biology class of Mrs. Jennifer Cheng from San Pedro High School is here at the 22nd Street wetland to conduct water quality tests. Her students will be testing the water in the wetland for several parameters including pH, dissolved oxygen, mineral content, and hardness. Before the class could start their experiment, the water samples from the wetland had to be collected, so a few of the students ventured in and took care of that.
We're going to be testing for everything on this little chart, and there's about 9 things. You got to take these tablets and you put them into each little container, but you have to make sure which one you're testing. So like go up and down for 4 minutes. Go. Okay.
4 minutes?
It has like it will change colors.
During the experiment, we decided to come in and interview some of the class on what they had discovered so far.
We have collected the pH level, which is 7. And first we tested the dissolved oxygen, which was 4 ppm. The phosphates are 4 ppm also. And the copper was 1.5 ppm. And right now we're testing the hardness. And we have to keep dissolving tablets until it turns blue. And once it turns blue, we have to multiply the number of tablets by 40 to get the hardness level.
And we're on 9.
So what would the hardness indicate?
The hardness indicates that how healthy and fresh the water is.
So does this water qualify as fresh water?
Yeah,
because we're already on 9, and that's a lot.
And there's no iron or chlorine, and the pH is 7, so that's good.
So that means it's more basic to test it?
Yes.
Or it's like the middle.
It's like the middle.
It's neutral.
It's neutral.
Okay, so what would the experiments show that you guys performed in the wetland?
We first got the water, which was like actually really filthy. You could see like little creatures moving in it, but that doesn't mean it's not fresh. So what we did was like get the water, and it came with these tiny pills that we put in, and what was kind of a hassle was looking for the hardness. We had to keep on mixing it until it turned blue. So we put like at least like 9 pills in there, and then it eventually turned blue.
And from the results from last year, how would they differ to this year?
Oh, actually no change at all, which is really good. So the water's doing good.
So you heard it, the water is good. Water testing is crucial in determining the impact the surrounding environment and activities are having on the well-being of a wetland. These young scientists are learning the importance of documenting the results of water quality parameter tests and comparing them to data from previous years. Keeping a record of our little wetland's health will help preserve this habitat and the rich biodiversity it supports.